Hello, today I'll show you how to fix the Windows could not start the WLAN AutoConfig service error. Step 1. Flush the DNS and reset Winsock. Open the search menu, type CMD, then select Command Prompt. Right-click it, then choose Run as Administrator. When prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow changes. In the command prompt window, just type the command shown on the screen and press Enter. This clears the DNS cache to help fix internet-related issues. Then just type this command shown. This resets the Winsock settings to default and may fix some network errors. After that, you will need to restart your computer to apply the changes. Click on the Windows icon, then the power button, and choose Restart. You will need to wait for your PC to finish the restart. Step 2. Update the network driver in Device Manager. Open the search menu, type in Device Manager, and then just select it. In the Device Manager, double-click Network Adapters to expand the list. Right-click your network adapter and choose Update Driver. You select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click Next and wait for the update to finish. Once finished, simply close the window and you're done. Now step 3, check airplane mode. In the search menu, type airplane mode, and once it appears, just open it. If it's on, click the toggle switch right here to turn it off. After completing all these steps in this tutorial video, the WLAN AutoConfig service should now work properly on your PC. And that's it. Thanks for watching and follow for more helpful tutorials.